Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that number 4 next to y, that is for integrating factor including the positive sign here. So we put in here. We have 4s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. This one we have e to the power of 3s. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of 4s. This one, we have e to the power of 3s over number 3, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions in here. So I will put number 1 go here to find the value of c. And now we can find the value of c in here. So I will put this one to change for c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.